Adjust the backstop for cutting ends by moving the backstop forward for a shorter cut. Confirm the cutting ends you desire. Then tighten the backstop firmly. Adjusting the rear rollers for cutting width, you need to put the glass bottle on the cutter to catch your proper diameter. Then tighten the rollers firmly. You can set the blade straight out when putting down the bottle. Edge the glass by rotating the bottle just for one round. Separate the bottle by crossing thermal stress. After breaking the glass bottle, the smoothing part is required.